Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have created this makeup look. So today is my 11th year's wedding anniversary and we are going for a romantic brunch, and I wanted my makeup to be very soft and romantic for this look. So I have not used very loud colors, and the things that I have given emphasis on are my pinkish glowing cheeks and a well-defined lined eyes, and also a nice romantic looking lipstick. So yes, I have used very minimal makeup products for this look, and the most important thing, because I wanted a romantic, glowing cheek, so I have used this bronzing pearls from Oriflame Giordani Gold. This is the one, and this is how it looks. This gives such a bright look to the face. It totally changes the makeup look. If you are looking very washed off or anything like that, it will just give a flush of color, a beautiful soft romantic glow on your face once you apply a single swipe of this bronzing pearls. The one that I have used is Natural Radiance. It's the prettiest, I would say. There are other two varieties of shade, but this is my favorite by far. So yes, if you want to see how this look has been created, please keep on watching the video. So my wedding anniversary makeup is almost done. The only thing that is left is applying a good bronzer or a blusher. For that I'll be using the Oriflame Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls. This is how it looks. It has an applicator sponge, and this is how the bronzing pearls look. It is a beautiful color. Once you apply on the cheeks, it gives a nice bright glow and makes your complexion beautiful and glowing. makeup was created, and I have used the Oriflame Giordani Gold Bronzing Pearls to get this beautiful pinkish glow on my face. If you want to buy this product, you can go ahead and shop from notino.co.uk. So yes, that's what the video was about my 11th wedding anniversary makeup look. Hope you have liked the video, hope you have liked the look. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.